Namaskar, Standard for students. In our last class, we have noted down the answer of A, B, C under question number 4, chapter 5, page number 54. Today we will continue from question number D under 4. Okay. Question number 4, D. Dash printer makes image or text through dots. Dash printer makes image or text through dots or text through dots. Number E. Number E. Inkjet printer has liquid tank called inkjet printer has liquid tank called dash. Now see question number D. Dash printer makes image or text through dots. Now we have learned and come to know many printers in this chapter, because this chapter is about only printer. So we know about a printer which makes image only through dots, and that printer is dot matrix printer. Okay, dot matrix printer. Now question number E. Inkjet printer has liquid tank called dash. Inkjet printer has liquid tank called dash. This question has also gives us information that inkjet printer use liquid ink, and we all know that laser printer use dry ink. Okay, so liquid tank called answer is cartridge. Now question number 5. Answer in one word. Answer in one word. Before answering the question, I want to tell you that when a question, the heading is saying that answer in one word, and if the first question comes, if you see that first question's answer is a name and the name contains 3 words, that does not matter, because it is a name of some person or something. Okay, and the thing or person is numbered 1. Okay, now see question number A. Give names of 3 types of printers. 3 types of printers, that means it is asking to give 3 names, and the heading is saying answer in one word. You can imagine, heading is saying answer in one word and the question is saying and give the name of 3 types of printer. Okay, now laser printer, inkjet printer, and dot matrix printer. number B. Question number B is saying, where can we use thermal printer? Where can we use thermal printer? The answer is calculators and fax machine. Now question number C. Question number C is, give names of two categories of printer, and the answer is inkjet printer and laser printer. Now see the last question. Question number B, where can we see thermal printer? Thermal printer, we all know the thermal printer use thermal paper. Thermal paper is actually which takes the power or power backup from the sun. Okay, we can see some thermal paper in our calculator, and it is also used in fax machine. Now question number C, give names of two categories of printer. We can see this question in question number 4 under C also. Most printer in use today fall into one of these dash category, and the answer was 2. And the same question comes in question number 5C. Give names of two categories of printer, and the answer is inkjet and laser printer. So this is your CW and HW. In our next class, we will continue from the next question. Till then, namaskar.